In the last year, the affiliate marketing industry has earned over several $million. For many people, affiliate income is now their main source of income. However, the question of how to get started in such an industry arises. Have you ever heard of CPA marketing? CPA marketing is one of the easiest ways for beginners to earn money. So if you want to learn how to make money with CPA marketing as a beginner, then you are in the right place. Countless people earn a nice sum with this kind of marketing. Why shouldn't you be one of them? Stay tuned to learn more. I welcome you all and am glad you are here for this video. As already announced, today we will talk about CPA marketing. This is an exciting topic for newcomers to the digital marketing industry. But what is CPA and where can I find such affiliate programs? I will not only answer these questions, but also give you some extra tips on how to get started with CPA marketing. If you've been paying attention in the last few years, you should be familiar with the term affiliate marketing. CPA is a form of affiliate marketing. The abbreviation CPA comes from click per action and means you get paid when someone does something with your link. The cost per action model in affiliate marketing refers to the charging of advertising expenditures following certain user activities. The activity may be specified in various intricate ways, including cost per sale or cost per order purchases, form submissions, and newsletter subscriptions. Only if the predetermined requirements are satisfied is the commission due. These are often purchases, as opposed to contacting the advertiser, which is typically charged on a cost per lead basis. Let's look at one example in more detail. Let's say you refer your users to a website and they have to enter their email address to get, for example, a free ebook. For each person who provides their address, you get a certain commission. Depending on the service you promote, you can earn between $1 and $4. And all your users have to do is enter their emails. Pretty simple, isn't it? You can also do the same by downloading an app or signing up for a giveaway. It's up to you. So now that we know the basics, we can start the real work. Where can I find CPA marketing providers? The two classics in affiliate marketing are ClickBank and CJ. All you have to do is sign up, and you have a huge selection of programs to promote. Now, you have to create a nice profile and apply to become an affiliate. But today, we want to show you programs that are more specialized for CPA marketing, and any beginner can get in. The websites I will present are for beginners and advanced people. The following website, Perform CB, is a provider that deals specifically with this type of marketing. You can sign up by going to affiliates and then applying to get an account. Perform CB is known to have been voted the #1 CPA network in the world for 6 years in a row, due to its reputation for having the best quality and most distinctive products. That means they don't take a lot of newbies. You must already be active on social media or have a website in some form, be it a blog or something else. But don't be sad. I have the perfect alternative for you. This website has been active in the CPA marketing industry for several years and is one of the best known websites for this purpose. We are talking about CPA Lead. The company connects mobile app marketers with anyone who has mobile traffic. CPA Lead works with both demand-side and sell-side platforms, which are used by publishers and advertisers. They have listings for affiliate marketers looking for direct CPA offers and mobile ad networks looking for additional CPA offers. Not only can you easily find good deals, but you also have a wide choice of what to promote. Other beginner websites would be Max Bounty and also CPA Grip. You can also check them out and work with the provider you like the most. Okay, now that you know where to start, you might also want to consider how to promote your links. Today, exclusively for you, I will give you 3 top methods to promote your links and products, and the last method is one of the most influential and best methods. But before I show you these strategies, I would like to quickly draw your attention to one more thing. You must realize that many deals in this world can make money, but they are not always moral. A little tip for you would be to pay attention to what kind of product you want to promote and what niche you want to be in. At the end of the day, it's up to you which deal you want to take. Now, let's continue with the video. The first method is social media marketing and Quora. If you have never heard of Quora, then you need to access the opportunity to gain traffic to this website. Quora has several million visitors per month. It is a question and answer platform where you can find questions on various topics. If you have ever worked in the digital marketing field, you know that this website can help you get started. You should only search for questions on certain topics and answer them, but not spam. To illustrate it for you, I'll show you an example. Let's say you search for the term SEO, then you go to the questions that are there and look at how many followers the respective questions have. Next, you formulate an answer and then publish it. Do this once a day, and you will notice how traffic will come to your website or link. But remember, spamming is forbidden. That means I would first answer 10 to 15 questions without linking to your website. Then I would start linking. You can do the same on social media as well as on blogs. I will make 2 more detailed videos about Quora and social media marketing with real case studies. The next 2 strategies I'd like to share with you are the best when it comes to promoting CPA marketing links. I will now show you 2 variations on how to implement this strategy. One is free, and the other costs money, but both are effective. The first strategy is the free version. First of all, you go to a website called Taplink. Taplink is a platform that lets you create a website for free, which means you don't need money for this strat. You just need to choose a template, add links, and finally promote it on the platforms mentioned above. That is Quora and Co. So you create an account at Taplink by also pressing create account. After you have created an account, you choose a template. I would choose one depending on the niche. I promote things that have to do with business, so I will choose this template. Then you press on the first block like here in the video. Go to CPA lead or your CPA marketing provider and choose a product you want to promote. You take the title of your product and write it down. Attention, you have to ensure that only people from the country, so in our case, only people from Germany should click on it. Otherwise, other people cannot view your product. I would then write under the title Germany only so that there are no further complications. Then you just add your link, and it's done. You can do that for all blocks and add more. Finally, change the title of your text, and you are ready to publish your new website. After that, you just need to choose a name, and you can promote these websites on social media platforms. The next strategy is similar to the previous strategies, only here you have to pay money too. This strategy is also known as native ads. You can also use native ads to promote your website. This strategy is similar to the previous one, but in this case, you create a website for an app. You can use websites like Magid or Site123 to create a website for free. Then, place ads on the website. To be able to place native ads, you can use websites like Taboola or Hootsuite. This strategy costs money, but if you do it right, you can get the most profit out of it. I won't go into too much detail with this strategy because I'm going to make a video about it soon anyway. For our example, I will go to Site123 and quickly create a website. It's the same principle as the last strategies now, only here you can choose a domain yourself if you want to make your website look more professional. After you are done, you go to Taboola or Hootsuite. Then you can start a campaign, and people will come to your site and download your app. It's that simple. You can do the same with push ads, but a detailed video about native and push ads will follow soon. Now that you know how to promote these programs and where to find them, there is only one thing missing: discipline and consistency. Okay, that's 2 things now, but never mind. Work hard to achieve your goals and always stay on the path of victory, even though it's not always the easiest way. I've put a lot of effort into putting together all these great strategies for you, so I'd appreciate a subscription and a like. Until the next one, your Finance Pro. Peace.